Boom, everybody. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Once again, everyone, thank you for sticking around. As you guys are anticipating, the Evo is getting built right now. The engine is in, getting sleeved, fully done. We have gone absolutely crazy with this build, way more than we anticipated. We were shooting for mid 800s before. Everything has changed. We have gone ballistic with this build. You're going to get an update very, very soon here, guys, to everybody, all the subscribers and future. Thank you guys for everyone sticking around and waiting for this to happen. Trust me, lots of stuff coming out on the Evo, and I'm so freaking excited about it. But let's jump into the video today, man. Today is our ride in our buddy's 316-speed twin-turbo Lamborghini Huracan Performante. Previously, we did ride in this guy's car before, and I'll show you a clip in between some of the turbo pulls and the old comparison. He's the same guy who has that 1,450 horsepower ACR Viper, fully built, kind of looks like this. Absolutely an amazing car. The Huracan, actually, he gave me a ride the other day. I'll show you some old clips, and then we're doing some more today. I only got a couple short pulls. There's heavy traffic, so he invited me over to the house. We're gonna jump in the car, and we're gonna get some ripping rides in this thing, man. This thing is 1,200 wheel horsepower, stock engine, Motec E85 with two 6466s on it. But let's go ahead and flow over to his house, man, and let's get this thing ripping.
Jet fighter pilot takes off on a carrier, man. Well, jumped into the future, now we're back. That was awesome, brother. There goes your eardrums. That was so loud, dude. say fire in the hole when you need that.